Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2011 Mazda BT-50, stock number 6148. This ran from 11th 2006 to 9th 2011. It has a WLAT 2.5 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a WLAT 2.5 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front 15-inch factory alloy mag tyre, left front door mirror, left rear 15-inch factory alloy mag tyre, right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag tyre, right front door 2 dents, right front door mirror, right front guard no dents, right front headlight needs polish, right front 15-inch factory alloy mag tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, manual gear stick, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,